Nhớ rằng lúc nào quê đã các hiện nên tận Hmong. Today I'm going to teach you Hmong lesson again. As you can see, the word Ku mean I, Go mean you, Bay mean we, Love mean them or they. Nu refer to he, she, it. And then I'm going to read the sentence for you. Google now I study. Go or she I you play. Bé no rau mò vì y phụ. Lỡ mù chế they go home. Nữ rong xia he she it is happy. So, for example, you can say he is happy, she is happy, and it is happy. So, in Hmong language, this is how we write the word in translating into English. So, I hope you repeat more and more in sound, read, and write in Hmong and English. Thank you. Wa chao. Shinji dua. See you later. Shinji dua. See you later. Bye.